Hello everyone. Today, December 28, 2020. Malapit na po yung bagong taon. Advance Happy New Year. And to all OFWs around the world, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. And kung nasa Pilipinas, magandang umaga. It's already 2 o'clock, no? In the morning. So today we will check the PCI. If ano na po nangyari ni PCI ngayong araw, no? So kung tumaas ba si PCI o bumababa. Shout out to MSTV Barbosa. Thank you for your support, and to Engineer Edwin Belan. Thank you. Good evening po sa inyong lahat. And to John Marching and Ralph Leve Morano and Minard Castro and Ivan Dave, okay, thank you also. And today we will discuss now, we'll proceed with the PCI. We'll see the PCI, we'll go to the chart. So this is the PCI chart. Today ay bumababa po si PCI. Tingnan natin dito sa chart. Yung PCI ay bumaba ngayon ng 1.14%. So, as discussed last Saturday, PCI is in the resistance area. So, in this area, this is the resistance area for PCI. And now, there is a retracement of the PCI. But still, we will see PCI ay mag-break po itong incline resistance. This line, I draw a line connecting the all the wicks. And this is the line now. This is the incline resistance. So if ever PCI tomorrow or in the next day, ma-break po niya itong incline resistance, so it is good for PCI, no? If it is going above on this horizontal resistance or this line, this support. So we will see in the next days. But if ever PCI hindi po mag-break na yung incline resistance, this is the next possible direction for PCI, the horizontal support below. So we need to watch sana ma-break ni PCI yung incline resistance, this minor resistance. Ever break, so this is the next area we need to watch for PCI. Kung mag-bounce si PCI then horizontal support. So it is below a mid 20. but still above ME 50. So we need to watch, sana ma-break na yung PCI itong incline hindi siya uh, punta dito sa may area na ito, yung, yung horizontal support. So dapat PCI will climb above this horizontal uh, resistance this line and ma-break na itong incline resistance. So this is good for PCI kung PCI dito na area. But if ever pupunta siya dito, then we need to watch, we need to monitor because this kind of varies pattern for PCI. So sana ma-break ni PCI support, this resistance and this incline resistance. Kung so nawala po yung natin. So we'll continue. So nawala po yung natin signal. So now let us continue to the PCI. We'll go back to the screen. So this is the PCI chart. So as I said, we need PCI to break this incline resistance and this horizontal resistance. So if ever PCI will go to this area, so this is good for PCI, but if not, we will go to this horizontal support below, and if this support will break, then this is the next possible direction for PCI. So sana ma-break ni PCI yung incline resistance and this horizontal resistance. So yun lang po yung next support below. We will see the MACD. Tingnan natin yung MACD. MACD now is tipping, widening down. No? So the momentum is weak. And the index is still 55 and the RSI is now 55. So still RSI is good. Is widening down, so it means momentum is weak. So we need so kasi kaya tao si So let us go to the uh, request that we have PCOR. We have also ZM7, VLL, and PNB and CLI. Thank you for watching. I'm Stevie Barbosa and Engineer Edwin Milan. And uh, my Belindre Group, Patricio Santiago, and Islamuddin Tuyub Ali, and Tariq Abdullah Sheikh, and Gulfam Jabbar Ibari. Thank you for your support. Now, let's go to the first stock is speaker. If you see Petron Corporation, we see, check the previous price still in this area. So there's a various movement of Petron since 2018. Uh, for Petron price movement. So last March, when the price is dropping up in this area, there's a recovery and it's going sideways. And now this is the resistance. This is the next resistance, and that this time last November 18, Petron break this resistance, and now it's going up. And the price movement, the current price movement of Petron is creating a symmetrical triangle. This is our topic for last Saturday about symmetrical triangle. About triangle, possible direction. If ever the price break the uh, this bottom line, it means bearish. So bearish trend. This is the topic that we discussed last Saturday. The symmetrical triangle. If ever this uh, line above I'm a brain before, then this will become a bullet. So when you watch the movement of this line above, so it's good now. When the next price movement, the before mabalik ko itong support, na because there's a possibility that will go down. So this is my thoughts only for PCOR. By the way, disclaimer po, this is not recommended for buying, but this is educational purposes only. So as we know, as we see now, the price movement of PCOR, it is creating a symmetrical triangle. So if ever, as I said, the bottom line of a break in the PCOR, then the possibility PCOR will going down. And if ever PCOR break the above incline line, the resistance line, there's a possibility that PCOR will go uh, up on this next the previous high. No, there's a possibility. that PCOR will go back to the uh, previous high. But for now, we need to watch because there's space here in this area. May space pa. So we need to watch if malapit na po yung buyer and seller, mag-meet na po sila diyan. So we need to watch who is the winner. If ever this incline then the winner is the seller. But if this incline resistance and a break, then the winner is the buyer. So this is the watch because PCOR is creating a symmetrical triangle. If you see the MACD is still below the signal line, and the index above 25, and RSI is above 58 or above 50. So this is my uh, insight for PCOR. So we need to watch the next price movement of PCOR. If PCOR break the incline, then keep away muna. Incline support, the bottom line. So keep away muna. If this yung resistance above, so we need to watch, no? Because this is creating a symmetrical triangle. Now the next one is GME7. We know that GME7 is going the last previous months. No? So we saw here that this price last July, the price of GME7 is went up to 8.50. So when the price up and bouncing this support area, and the price is going up now here, but he break this incline support. So we need to see now if there is a bounce for GME7 in this line. This is the support line of GME7. But if there is no bounce in that area, possible direction in this location of GME7. So today, napaka-bearish po yung candle ni GME7, but still nag-hold pa naman dito sa my support area. So we need to watch if there is a next confirmation candle for GME7. But if ever there is no confirmation candle, just wait for another opportunity because if this support ay ma-break ni GME7, for me, my own opinion, there's a possibility that this line dito pupunta si GME7. So sana mag-hold si GME7 in this support area, this line. And we need to watch the movement of moving averages 20, exponential moving averages 20. So if ever sasaluhin ng May 20 yung price going to this area, so this is good for GME7. But if ever tomorrow ma-break ni GME7, this horizontal support, then keep away muna and wait for another opportunity for GME7. Because lalim pa po yan dito sa malapit sa may May 50. Pag ma-break itong horizontal support. But if this horizontal support ay mag-hold, then it's good, no? But keep away muna for today because the candle of GME7 is very candle. So wait for an opportunity for GME7. Thank you for watching Patrick Booth Santiago. He is the energetic Belgian Trade Foreman, Patrick Boot Santiago, and to Kindi Marias and Dave Maipan and Henry Six Abon Italia and Engineer Kenneth Akas, thank you for your support. And Jonathan Noho and Coach Barquez and Engineer Peter Bergonio. Thank you for your support and Engineer Eric Lamonta. So now, this is my thought for Jimmy 7. We need to ask if there is a bounce on that horizontal support. Kasi this candle today ay napaka-bearish po yung candle ni GMA 7. So if there's a possibility that this support ay ma-break ni GMA 7. So if ever GMA 7 break support, then this is the next movement of GMA 7. But if ever there is a bounce here in this support area, please we need to watch the AMA 20. If the price above always the AMA 20 going to this resistance, it is for GMA 7. But for now, as I said, we need to wait for another confirmation candle if there's a bounce in this area. But if not, keep away muna and wait for another opportunity. The next one is property sector. It is one of the property sector. It is owned by one of the Mr. Villar, no? Now, if we see the BL, draw the horizontal support, this area. This is my reference if ever there is a bounce in this area. But BLL, it did not bounce on this incline support, but he break this incline and horizontal support. So if we will look for the small, this is the resistance area for BLL, because when the price going up and there's a rejection in this area, the price is rejected. Nag-bounce po yung price dito, and then when the price umabot dito sa area na ito, then there is a rejection. So it means it is a resistant area. And take note that if this is a resistant area, when this level ay ma-break po, it's going to become a support. So now dito, ganun din, no? Na-rejected din yung price ni VLL. So last time, the price ay na-break po yung resistant ni BLL last November 24, November 23. And the price is going up to this level and hitting another resistance in this area. And now there is a retracement of the price, and we do this incline support to see as a reference if there is a bounce. So we did not see any bounce for BLL, and then he breaks the horizontal support and the incline support. So for now, we need to watch this area for BLL. If ever the price drop on this horizontal support below, we need to watch, because this is the previous resistance, and now it's become. So we try to test this area. Okay, let's. And there's a bounce, then it's good. It's here also this green line. So this is the area you need to watch. Because on break po na yung incline support, and so the price now is below 20. So for me, just wait 450 for BLL. If ever BLL go back to this horizontal support below, then we need to watch because this is the previous strong resistance of BLL. So, but for now, keep away muna, wait for another uh, opportunity for BLL. Dito sa area na ito. So, we don't want to be aggressive if ever uh, you're building. So, hindi po tayo maging aggressive today, especially in the market is in the resistant area. So we need to look for opportunity. Uh, so ngayon, wag muna. Wait for another opportunity. If ever for better, we need to see another opportunity. Think uh, so this is for BLL. We need to wait for another opportunity if the price drop near the support area. Kasi malayo support today. Wait. On the support this line. So we need to bounce another for now malayo pa sa support area. The next one is PAB. That's the PAB. So thank you for the support Coach Marquez and El Espiritu to Marlene Pania also, and Franz Nabua and Arlen Bruno. Thank you for your support. Thank you. So we'll check the moment check the price movement of and give some on this time being line. So if we take CPM, na duluan sa box for that. Bounce ni in class and the the uh, the next what's for bounce area for the bounce. For now, I thought this is not fun, but we are studying for that. But area this area uh, for for now uh, need to ask na tayo kay PNB. Uh, natin sila the meeting which is CI. CI. So nothing for and general monster and now the last one is CLI. This is full line master. Uh, this is property, no? Now we see the price movement of CPI last is rejected CPI. So means the area is a resistant area. So in the price hitting again, nauntog na naman yung price ni CI. So we need to watch for me, if I am the one, I can draw the incline support for CI. So incline support of CI. If ever CLI for me, in my own thoughts, if ever CLI will go up above this line, this area, this horizontal resistance, this is a good area we need to watch for CLI. So if ever hindi naman siya umangat dyan, and then there's a rejection on this resistant line, so there's a possibility that this incline support ay ma-break ni incline ni CLI. So we need to see if the price will go up above on this horizontal resistance line. So dito natin titingnan si CLI if the price will go up above on this line. But if ever, hindi niya break yung resistance na yan, and then there is a rejection, there's a possibility that this incline support ay mag-break ni CLI. So of course, kung mag-break ni CLI, this is a for CLI. Kung mag-break ni incline, but as I said, if the price going up on this resistance line, this horizontal line, and staying up on this area, this is the time we need to watch for CLL. So natin CLL yan, because that area is the bonus area for CLL, CLI. So we need to watch the price movement of CLI on this area. The one if you have a position, you need to see if the incline support is breaking CLI. If break yan, then this is the next price movement of CLI. So that is my thoughts for insight for CLI. So we need to see if ma-break na yung resistant line, the horizontal resistant line above, and stay above area ay narrow. If may consolidation dyan, we have to see if there's a breakout, the next resistance above. But for now, watch if there is a breakout of that resistance, horizontal resistance line. So this area, we need to watch this area here. Kung ma-break ni CLI. But take note that we don't want that this incline support ay ma-break ni CLI. With the next movement, this location. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something about this discussion today, this insight. This is only for educational purposes based on the actual price movement of the certain stock. So I hope you learned about this. And to shout out to Engineer Janelle Galbi and Engineer Mikey Lagetan and Engineer Orito Corpus. And Engineer Larry Amogis, thank you for your support. And before I will leave, I will shout out to the viewers for today. To MSTV Barbosa, thank you uh, for your support. Engineer Edwin Bilan and Patrick Bot Santiago. So thank you for your support. And I hope we need to learn this stock market because if we invest in the stock market and if we know how to uh, entry, correct entry, of course we have a gain. So mayroong mag-profit po tayo kung yung entry natin ay tama. And we have a risk management also. So that's all for today. Thank you very much and God bless us all always.